back, guys. I'm KP, and today I just want to show you a simple way to measure surface area for tile, whether it's bathroom, kitchen, shower pan, bathroom floor, what have you. So I'm gonna take you into a bathroom that's already completed, and I'll show you how we got the measurements to know how much material to buy when it came to this bathroom. As you can see, this shower is a floor to ceiling tile on this shower wall. So I already know that's 8 feet vertical that I'm going to need. So now I need to get the width. And with that, I use a regular tape measure, whether it's digital or regular, traditional. So I know this wall is 4 feet, this wall is 5 feet, this wall is 4 feet. So with that being said, I know I have 13 feet of width. So I will multiply that 13 by 8, and that will give me the square footage of tile I need for the wall. Now when it comes to the shower pan, let me show you the shower pan. It's pretty dope. It's a black penny tile. Pretty cool. I will multiply just the 4 feet by the 5 feet. And that'll give me 20 square feet of shower pan tile. Now this bathroom floor, let me show you that too, because I love showing off these type of tiles. Yeah, be pretty cool. So I already know the width of this bathroom is 5 feet. Now the length is about 8 feet. So that lets me know I need about 40 feet approximately of this tile, this type of tile for the floor. So it's simple, as you can see, that to get the shower, you just multiply all 3 sides by the height. Now if it was a tub in here, the tub, you will measure, if you're taking tile to the ceiling, from the top of the tub to the ceiling on all 3 sides, and multiply that width by the height. And that's the simple way to measure for the tile. Now if it's in the bathroom, if you're in the kitchen, it's pretty simple. If you're gonna install tile pre-cabinets, then measure from wall to wall. But if you're gonna install tile at the front of the cabinets, wait till you set your cabinets and then go ahead and drop your tile, because you want to make sure they fit snugly. So I wouldn't recommend just dropping tile and leaving spaces cut out where you're going to drop your cabinets unless you have exact measurements. So like I said, this is a pretty simple way to measure for tile. Again, I'm KP. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and like, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.